Hey everybody, this is a 2300M. I'm replacing the blower motor for the AC and heat, of course. Just wanted you to see, I can't do both at the same time because I'm the only one here, but in order to get to it, you remove the stripping right here as you get into the car. Then you pull the weather stripping off. There's a cover that goes here. I threw it in the back somewhere. Then you just pull back the rug with the insulation. There's a rubber back here that gives it more padding insulation, but don't worry about all that. There's the motor that I got to replace. Only 3 screws. Okay, it unplugs from right there. Where is it? Right there. And there's only 3 screws to hold the cover up. I got the cover drying because I just washed it. It was full of dirt. It's amazing how much stuff can get in there. But in any case, it's not that big of a deal. You don't have to rip all this out in order to do it. Okay? Again, 2300M. Alright. Any questions? Feel free to leave a comment at the comment section. Have a great day.